Assalamualaikum and hi guys. In this video, I will explain on how to solve homogeneous equation. So this example from past year midterm exam question semester 2 2015-2016. So by substitute y equal to xv and dy over dx equal to x dv over dx plus v, prove that the following differential equation is homogeneous and solve the differential equation. So the first thing, you have to show that the following differential equation is homogeneous. The first order differential equation, dy over dx equal to fxy, is denoted as homogeneous equation if f lambda x lambda y equal to fxy. So means that you have to substitute position of x become lambda x, position of y become lambda y. F lambda x lambda y means that you have to substitute position x become lambda x, position of y become lambda y. Lambda square x square plus 3 lambda square y square. Divide with 2 lambda x multiply lambda y. So now you have to simplify all the lambda here. At the upper side we have lambda square. At the bottom side, we also have lambda square. So we can factorize the lambda square. So now, cancel out the lambda square. So f lambda x lambda y is equal to x square plus 3y square divided with 2xy. So means that f lambda x lambda y is equal to fx y. So therefore, this differential equation is homogeneous. So now let us try to solve this differential equation. So dy over dx will become x dv over dx plus v. X square plus 3y square divided with 2xy, we only change y equal to xv. X square plus 3 x square v square divided with 2x square v. So why this one become 2x square v? Because we have 2xy is equal to 2x multiply xv. So this one will become 2x square v. So from here, we have to simplify the right hand side. So since we have x square at the upper side and we also have x square at the bottom side, so we can factorize the x square. So 1 plus 3v square divided with x square multiply 2v. So now we can cancel out the x square. So the next step, we have to move the v on the left hand side to the right hand side. So when we move positive v to the right hand side, so this one will become minus v. Okay, so this one we have denominator at the bottom side, but for this one the denominator is 1, v over 1. So we have to make it become same denominator. So how to make it become same denominator? So this one is v over 1. So we have to cross multiply. 1 plus 3v square multiply 1 will become 1 plus 3v square. Minus, because we have minus operation here, 2v multiply v will become 2v square. Divide with 2v multiply 1 will become 2v. So from here, you have to simplify the terms that you have on the right hand side. We have 3v square, we have minus 2v square. So 1 plus 3v square minus 2v square will become 1 plus v square. Divide with 2v. So in order to solve this differential equation, you have to separate the variable. V on left hand side, x on right hand side. So you have x dv over dx. You have to move x and dx to the right hand side. And the whole thing that you have on the right hand side, we have to move it to the left hand side. Okay, so we move x and dx first. X is multiply on the left hand side. When we move to the right hand side, will become divide. Dx is divide. When we move to the right hand side, will become multiply. 1 over x dx. So 1 plus v square divide with 2v. When we move to the left hand side, so this one will change the position. 2v over 1 plus v square. So the dv here will remain on the left hand side. Okay, so from here you have to integrate both sides. In order to integrate 2v over 1 plus v square, this one we have to apply u substitution. In order to integrate 1 over x, so this one is direct integration. So u will become 1 plus v square. Du over dv, differentiate 1 plus v square will become 2v. So therefore, make a dv as a subject. dv is equal to du over 2v. So therefore, substitute back the u substitution that we apply here to the original function that you want to integrate. Integrate 2v over 1 plus v square. So we will substitute 1 plus v square will become u. So integrate 2v over u multiply with dv will become du over 2v is equal to integrate 1 over x dx. Okay, so since we have 2v and 2v at the upper side and the bottom side, so we can cancel out the 2v. So you only integrate 1 over u du. Integrate 1 over u will become ln u. Integrate 1 over x will become ln x plus with c. So plus c only on right hand side. Okay, so now in order to eliminate the ln for both sides, we will apply exponential for both sides. E ln u is equal to E ln x multiply E c. E ln u will become u. E ln x will become x. Exponent c will become another constant, which is we will let it become a. Exponent c is equal to a. So don't forget to substitute back your u here. U is equal to 1 plus v square. 1 plus v square is equal to a x. So always remember the final answer must be in terms of variable x and y. So this v you have to check back. From the beginning you have substitute y is equal to x v. So therefore v is equal to y over x. So you have to change v square become y square over x square. 1 plus y square over x square is equal to ax. So in order to eliminate the denominator here, we will multiply both sides with x square. Multiply with x square. X square multiply 1 plus y square over x square is equal to ax multiply x square. So x square multiply 1 will become x square. X square multiply y square over x square, we can cancel out the x square. X square plus y square is equal to ax multiply x square will become ax the power of 3. So this is the final answer for the homogeneous equation.